a high-speed chase, and multiple deputies opening fire, all caught on body and dash cam. Just after 1:30 a.m., a woman fleeing a traffic stop led deputies through Pinellas County with a gun in her hand and no intention of stopping. What began as a red light violation turned into a potentially deadly standoff involving 7 deputies. In this video, we break down exactly what happened and the dramatic moments leading up to the shots fired.
113th and Park, Florida 28 Indigo, Delta 6-8 Echo Golf on a red Toyota.
129.
Go ahead. Bridge 67, 30th Street, Road, Papa Juliet, Zulu 25, Black. Dodge, sedan.
Yes? I need you to pull over into that parking lot over there. You're in the middle of the road right now.
I'm so sorry about that. I hurt my heart.
Okay, can you pull into that parking lot over there?
Which one?
That bank right there. Because you're in the middle of the road right now.
Well, I wait.
You're in the middle of the road. Go to that parking lot over there. Do you understand?
What's the way, police officer? Don't talk to him this way. I'm a CIA couple.
Okay, can you pull over to that or no?
No, I'm not going to pull over.
Okay, well you need to turn your vehicle off for me.
No, I'm gonna go.
Seminole 3, can I have a Route 294?
CIA.
Ma'am.
Front driver's side tire is completely flat. It's about to flail off in here a couple seconds. Pulling up to a stop at 177th Avenue West. 177th Avenue West, Gulf Boulevard.
Put your hands out the driver window!
Somebody want to get on the PA?
Short 15. Looks like one occupant. Front driver.
Oh, we got his pens on PA.
Driver, turn the vehicle off.
Driver, put your hands up and put your hands outside of the vehicle.
Oh, there's a gun. She's pointing it out.
Squad car.
Yep. From the north to the south. They can pop out over here. Yeah, sorry.
All right. I believe she put the gun down. I don't see it in her right hand that last time, but let me confirm if I see that right hand again.
Oh, she's going again. She's moving. She's moving. She's gonna
U-turn. Hey guys.
Oh, hey, get back.
U-turn. Make me a U-turn.
Hey, buddy, get out of that B pillar.
If she takes off, we're gonna let her leave.
Yep.
Hey, somebody get on two and get the eagle up.
They're not gonna get up on this. Not in this weather.
Driver, step out.
Somebody got stop sticks to put up down here before she turns?
Up too late. We have any more stop sticks to throw out there?
Hey, everybody on this side.
Yep.
Behind covers, go
Yep.
around. Marty, now.
Good spot sit around. Or if you want to.
An armored vehicle, do so.
Alright, attempted pit. Still northbound through Whitehurst. It's moving back up. Good pit, good pit.
Ready back off a little bit with the AMRAP in position.
MRAP's a pinch from the front and another total from behind.
Stop! Stop!
He's still got the gun! Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Stop firing! Hey, come here. Oh. Firearm, right hand! Hey! Stop! Firearm, right hand! Back!
39 EMS to the Rocks town line. Whitehurst, Gulf.
Marina DeFilippo survived the gunfire with multiple injuries, but the investigation is far from over. The Pinellas County Use of Deadly Force Task Force continues to piece together what went wrong and what went right. With transparency as their goal, the footage is now public. What are your thoughts on how officers responded? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real-life law enforcement breakdowns.